Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. As I shared in my previous videos that I used to get a particular vision since my childhood, even before coming into a divine communication, that I am getting married to a person of a particular profession, and after marriage I'm flying in a charter plane. So that was a specific vision which I used to get on a frequent basis. And this profession of him was such a concern for me because everything here is connected to power, and he's also known for his powers. I have also shared another thing that I was also attracted towards two particular things, which are one ethnic attire related to a female, which is a scarf used in a particular culture, which is a representation of a particular state in India. And another thing was turban, which is the identity of Sikh religion. So when I saw Divine Masculine for the first time, through that particular video which was popped up on 1st of October 2023, so I saw that he belongs to that, particular state for which that, one particular ethnic attire I'm being attracted towards. And also that another thing, that turban thing. So he's not a Punjabi, he's not a Sikh, but then he follows, he ties turban while performing rituals. So as he's highly a spiritual being and he does a lot of spiritual practices, so he ties, he covers his head while performing rituals, as if you are aware that rituals are being performed for particular days like 11 days, 21 days or 40, or 41 days. So he's highly spiritual being and always do his self healing and not dependent on anyone for spiritual guidance or spiritual practices. So I was, shocked to see that he ties turban, while performing these rituals, wherein he's not a Punjabi or a Sikh. So that was such a shocking thing, that how I used to, get attracted towards a turban whenever I used to see somebody in that, a turban thing. So long time back when I was working, before my awakening 4-5 years back, so there was a person who I was reporting. He was a Sikh, and of Sikhs, always a ties turban. So I was standing and then I was questioning, inside of myself while standing there, that why am I so attracted towards this, turban? I'm not attracted towards Sikhism or Sikh people. So but then what is that, it is pulling me towards it. So then I got to know, after seeing Divine Masculine, this is what he covers his head this way while performing rituals. So as I can see that he has also been, always attacked through those, dark entities, and as he has a lot of enemies, so they do practice, such magic thing and all. So yes, it was in the news that, his health was getting affected a lot, back to back. And then when he started doing, he had to increase these sort of, spiritual practices, as I did, after my awakening. So somehow either, few years back or maybe after awakening, he has started increasing these practices. So now I can see he's completely protected and his health is absolutely fine. So he's not no sort of a spiritual attack is working on him. Also his particular profession, which I used to get a vision, since my childhood, it was again shocking thing, for me, because he is 3 years younger than me, and I used to get the vision of his particular profession, since my childhood. So I was just, thinking that how come, I was able to see this particular profession in which he's, today right now. So he's publicly known because of his, that particular profession also, which I used to see as vision. So when I was getting this, vision of getting married to a person about who is into particular, profession since my childhood. So when I saw Divine Masculine, then I was also, just seeing that how Divine has actually hided, his face intentionally from me, because I only used to, get this vision that I'm getting married to this person and who is into this profession, traveling in charter plane with him, but his face was never visible to me. So Divine actually did that, on purpose, because so many reasons I can say, for everything has a right timing. And so he's not on social media since past 10 or 11 years, but then before that, if I talk about during his teenage time when he was too young, that time he was on social media. I was also on social media, but Divine did not let me know that he exists. So as he's not on social media since very long time, because of his situations only, so and the pictures and the videos which soever the content is being posted about his life and his profession, it is being done through his friends and family members, and so many channels are there through his fan following. But then I was also thinking like, okay, so one thing Divine did, as he has gone through spiritual awakening in the month of March 2023. Somehow I can say that divine has pushed him to shoot a video and post it on social media wherein I can see him talking the current state. So that video was actually posted in the month of April 2023. So now I hope you understand, like he went through awakening in 2023 March, and he shared that video in April 2023. And then in the same year 2023 October, 1st of October, I mean those same videos got popped up where I saw him. So just for me, divine pushed divine masculine so that he come on social media and post his own video wherein he has not been on social media since very long time. So it was done for me only, like he posted a video in April and then I got to see the same video in October. So the video he posted in the month of April 2023, those are actually getting viral, and since then a lot of public knows him, and there are a lot of followers. So before this, he has been on social media, also been in media eye, but then not that much, which he became after this spiritual awakening. And why is he not on social media since very long time and he doesn't come frequently? Because of his toughest life situations, and those are only because of soul mission. So since my childhood, I have been getting one particular reminder from divine that I will have to punish wrong people. So as it was a frequent reminder since I have come in direct communication with divine, I have always been trying not to punish anyone because I knew my powers. So that will be a lot. So I always tried, sparing people. So always tried, ignoring and forgiving people because I knew what sort of powers I hold. But then when this, same situations happens in divine masculine's life, as we are a twin flame, same self, and we have a same joint mission together. So when this situation, has happened in his life, divine has actually pushed him to an extent wherein he was not left with except punishing wrong people, and because of that thing his life has been toughest. So when I saw divine masculine in that situation, that whatever his situation is just because of soul mission, because we both are supposed to punish wrong people. So now it's not about that we're gonna punish the entire all sort of wrong people on earth, because we are here on a specific mission, and we are on a journey wherein the industry where we have soul mission, it is such a dirty industry. All sort of wrong things happens there. So there we cannot spare or forgive those people. That will be the toughest thing for us. That was the reason that divine were pushing both of us that start getting ready, because yes, I was not aware about that mission before when I got to see where my destined career is, but everything was clear after seeing divine masculine. So during childhood, when I was in 9th standard, when divine showed me my destined career, it is in a particular industry. So that time I was actually questioning to myself, thinking why divine has decided a particular career in that particular industry. So and then when I went through spiritual awakening, where I was staying in front of that karmic twin flames house. So I knew in and out about that thing that he's not going to be with me because I would not allow. So I thought my spiritual powers are more than enough to lead this soul mission on earth. So after awakening, it was clear my soul mission is in the same industry where my destined career is. So I can see that it is being known, that industry is known for performing black magics, destroying their career, their life, and threatening them. But then after so when I saw divine masculine, that time one more thing got revealed. So as I was a delusion, I can say that my spiritual powers are more than enough to lead this mission on earth, and when it comes about this handling this particular industry. So but then when I saw divine masculine, so since then one more thing got revealed, which was again hidden by divine only, that in that industry their first tool to attack somebody is only through black magic. But if somebody is spiritually protected, I was just doing a lot of case studies since this mission is got revealed to me. If people who are actually into spiritual practices, who are protected through these attacks and these kind of magics, they use one 3D power, which is again not everybody can have. I even cannot have. So then I got to see that my divine masculine has become the king of those 3D powers. So if you have heard, after my awakening, as I was going through a lot of spiritual attack through dark entities, through spell magic and hexes, this. So what I did, so there I actually took a decision. It was a thought process mindset that I should be completely dependent on myself only for having any kind of spiritual power or spiritual protection, because there are high chances of people deceiving at any point of time. They can deceive because of jealousy or because of money, if somebody pays them. If you have heard, like tantrics takes money when they are doing such things against somebody. Since then I know each and everything that how to protect oneself through all kind of magic and spiritual attacks. And then when I saw Divine Masculine, so that's how I can see the same mindset he has. He's well aware about soul mission, what kind of things will be required there, and how would he be supporting. So he knew that I am going to lead that mission, and he's going to be my back support. So he's not going to be on front face. But then that's why he became the king of those 3D powers which are being used in that industry to destroy others. Also, when this thing got revealed to me that that industry is using those 3D powers to destroy people and damage their life, then since then so many videos started getting popped up from that industry. And I heard a video from a person who is from the same industry. It was approx 4 to 5 years old video on social media, that she's saying, if there is an angel listening to us on earth, please come and help us, take us, help us from this industry who uses these sort of powers to damage and to break someone. So after listening to her, I actually got goosebumps. How come that she's saying that if there is some angel or divine child who are listening to us, please come and help us, because that video was such an old video and I was shocked to see that. And then I realized only spiritual powers are not enough to lead this soul mission, because those 3D powers are also required, and because of which Divine Masculine has become the king of those powers. So the industry, I have a soul mission. Divine Masculine is completely aware that I will be leading that mission, because the way I used to get vision about him, he also gets vision about me being into a particular profession. So the industry, we have that soul mission. That industry has also been known for having a lot of power and a lot of money. And those people, I can see the dark entities who exist into human form, who are on top in that industry. So they are always, in touch with black magic practitioners and having a lot of money and power too. So they use it, the way they want to use to destroy somebody, whether spiritually or, in 3D life. So as I knew that there are high chances of getting deceived if I talk about these spiritual attacks. So when somebody is there, they can add anything into your coffee, tea, or any sort of food item, even including water. So that was the reason that I had to be so spiritually protected. And then I did a spiritual mastery, and then Divine Masculine also has the same mindset. So what he did, that was the reason he kept all his those 3D powers in his hand. And because he knew that there are possibilities of getting deceived in future, so he actually made those possibilities zero. Nobody can deceive. He has not left even a single point. So when I look at the life of Divine Masculine, the journey, that painful journey, as he's going through a lot, and this is only because of soul mission, wherein he comes from a very good family. He has good parents and good family, but then still toughest things he's experiencing just because of soul mission. So I was actually telling Divine, this is not done. His life journey has become so tough, I would say toughest, and I can see that he can definitely come out of that pain, but he's going through that intentionally. So I told to Divine, his life journey has unnecessarily become, this toughest and painful because of this soul mission. And also the situation he is in right now, he can definitely come out of that situation. But I can see, he will not come until I, step into his life. So this he is going through by choice, because he has all the powers, to come out of that painful situation. I also said to Divine that who goes through pain intentionally, I can see he's going through pain, intentionally. So Divine said, look who is talking, you are the one who went through that painful 10 years of journey intentionally. You are the one, who chose to go through that. We did not ask you to, go ahead on that painful journey, because we already told you this is how humans are on earth and what sort of, things they do to destroy a person. But it was you who needed, evidences again and again to come in that acceptance that, yes, that is true what we are telling you. So you should not talk like that. And that is the reason that Divine Masculine is going through the same sort of painful journey, and he has also gone on the journey of 10 years of painful experiences. So when I said to Divine that I can see that he can definitely end that painful situation in his life which he's into since very long time, but then Divine said we also have to set certain examples of true love story on earth for humans. So I said whatever you want to do, just take care of him. He should always be fine, happy, in all the situations, because still there is a bit of time that he will remain in that particular situation. So when I saw Divine Masculine, at that time I actually decided that I will always hide this relationship because of his situation and circumstances, and also because of safety and protection. So same thought he will also have, but when Divine said he will have to set some sort of examples of true love story. So since then I also got to know that for a long time I will not be able to hide this relationship. So I had to be in this acceptance. Someday it will definitely get open into the public. So when you're listening to Divine, be very careful, because in one answer there are two more, three answers are hidden, which Divine will not let directly. But then that statement of Divine that they will have to actually set examples of true love story. So that time it was clear, no matter how much I try to hide this relationship, I will not be able to do it forever. So as I can see that Divine Masculine has nothing to do with that particular industry, and but then there is one particular reason which has been created, because of which the fights and verbal arguments are already going on between Divine Masculine and the darkest evil entities who exist in human form in that particular industry. So Divine Masculine is completely aware who needs to be removed before I enter in that industry. So the moment I got disconnected from the karmic twin flame's higher self, immediately I would say that the higher self of Divine Masculine was aligned with me within a week time, I can say, because since then I started noticing that a baby habit which started coming all of a sudden in me, and then there were other changes within myself. So those are actually from Divine Masculine. So when I saw him in October 2023, immediately after a month time, he was again in news. One of the most painful traumatic situation has happened, and then I was actually experiencing stress. Now I was actually picking up on his emotions and thoughts, but then as I knew that he's such a high vibrational person and he goes through a lot of stress and back to back painful situations, the journey he's on, that 10 years of painful journey, I would say. So he keep such habits through which he can keep himself in high vibrational energy. So I told to Divine, till now I was able to completely balance myself, because I left that job also wherein that director was becoming a reason to disturb my energies. So I was happy now. But then after seeing Divine Masculine as he's going into painful situations back to back, though he keeps his energies balanced, but then death of a situation, how come you can be in a balance? So he was crying, I would say. So I started crying, and now I said, if this situation keep on happening, my energies will also be disturbed. So Divine said, just stay calm. Nothing is out of control. Every situation is under control. It's just that his some of the karmic lessons are pending, and that he will only learn through these experiences. So calm down. Everything is under control. So I said okay to Divine, and then Divine said he's been aware about the twin flame connection, but he's not aware about your face. So he has not been revealed anything about myself. Just he knows that he's in that connection. So I can understand that he's manifesting me, because the way he gets vision, whatever he's getting, I'm aware about that. So I said to Divine that, don't you think that this is a cheating, that I'm aware about each and everything about him, like his face, his name and his profession, but he's not aware about anything if I talk about in 3D reality. So Divine said, you being a leader of this journey, there is a 3 years of gap and everything is perfectly aligned. So I was okay with that. But then I found there are a lot of similarities between his life journey and in mine. Like reason for my spiritual awakening is the death of a friend, and reason for spiritual awakening of Divine Masculine, the death of his best friend. I went on a journey of that painful journey for 10 years. He has also gone on the journey of 10 years of that painful journey. Again, I almost 2.5 or maybe 3 years to do all sort of healing and cleansing. Same way it is going to happen with the Divine Masculine also. That is the reason there is a 3 years of gap. So my painful journey of those 10 years actually started in 2011. So same journey he went on in 2014. Why I'm sharing, understand the gap, as he's 3 years younger than me and everything is perfectly aligned. So that when things gets revealed in your life, you will be able to understand these differences, because people are all about just, physical reunion. So there is still a lot of time, if I talk about the physical reunion in 3D. My spiritual awakening happened in March 2020. Divine Masculine spiritual awakening happened in March 2023. So there is one particular, major karmic lesson which is pending in Divine Masculine's life, and he will only learn it through the most traumatic incident which has already happened at least or twice in his life. And same lesson I was taught and repeated, given as reminder by Divine since my childhood so many times, and I always kept on ignoring that because that is so tough for me. Until now I have not learned that lesson. So there I was actually feeling bad. I have always been into as protected, through Divine, and have not experienced that much pain what Divine Masculine is actually experiencing. So if I am pure, he's purest. And so that's how I decided that yes, I will now learn that lesson which is pending, one part, particular karmic lesson. And but then I need some time to learn that lesson, because I cannot do that in a way, in a month or in few months. But now I will keep moving forward to learn that particular lesson, because it is needed for our soul mission. So in this journey, I being a leader, it is for every twin flame. If you are a Divine Feminine, you are leading this life, and first you learn all of your karmic lessons, then only Divine Masculines learns. So it doesn't mean that you will go ahead and teach him this is your lesson and you should learn or you can learn. No, it is not going to happen in that way. It's just that you keep completing things in your own self, and same way parallelly Divine Masculine keeps on doing in himself. So as I decided to remain innocent, pure, and do not want to lose my innocence, so because of that particular karmic, lesson, I thought if I will have to learn this lesson, I might have to lose my innocence. But no, that will not be possible for me. So I will have to create that balance, that I do not lose my innocence while learning that particular lessons. And when I look at Divine Masculine, whatsoever situation, painful, experiences he has gone through and is still going, he has, remained pure, honest, loyal, and he has not lost his innocence. So that is the reason his inner child is super active, and that is the reason that it becomes that you are able to do your self healing. So I told to Divine that the lesson you trying to teach me since my childhood, since I've come in direct communication with you, and I was not ready to learn. I have always ignored it and denied, almost I would say, learning that lesson, because I thought I do not need that. And yes, I have been stuck into many times in painful situations wherein I was not harmed. Yes, I experienced emotional pain, but then I was not harmed in any of the situation. So now I said to Divine that okay, I'm ready to learn this lesson specifically for Divine Masculine, and as it is needed for my soul mission. So there is one particular, painful event is already aligned for Divine Masculine, which he will have to go through, and similar kind of event has already happened twice in his life, and I cannot do anything in that. It is been aligned and told by Divine that I should not get into these things. So when I'll be meeting him for the first time in 3D, I have always been, I'm being given a lot of warnings from Divine for the first meeting, and also when I will meet him in 3D, he will be experiencing that painful situation. So I will be entering into, in his life like a light, when he'll be experiencing the complete darkness in his life. But then one thing I remember, whether it is about him or about me, I never lost my own self. I have always been following my inner guidance. I never lost my innocence, no matter what sort of dark experiences I have gone through. And same I can see in Divine Masculine also. So I told to Divine, no matter how much time do you take your time, and I'll be meeting him in only that form, the sort of vision he gets about me. And this reunion on earth should be such a magical moment wherein other people who will be in our surrounding will be able to experience that magical meeting, I can say. So the reason behind I was able to complete my complete inner work within 3.5 years, because when I went on that 10 years of painful journey, I was already clear that what am I supposed to learn, and I gave a lot of commitments about following and accepting things which Divine wanted me to, like learning particular karmic lessons and making certain type of changes within me. And if you are honest, loyal, purest, you will take time to learn all these things. So why I was able to do this in 3.5 years, because 99% things were already clear, that what my end goal is, what am I supposed to learn. But if I talk about other people, they do not know what they need to learn. So but anyways, I'll be sharing all sort of my experiences which are needed for this community to learn, because these are lessons which you will have to learn. Not just the energy work can help you in completing your journey. There are so many karmic lessons which you will have to learn. So as a divine masculine's identity was revealed to me only after 3.5 years of my spiritual awakening. So I went through awakening in March 2023, and revelation of the divine masculine happened in October 2023. So you can calculate the timing, and it is same way is going to happen in the life of divine masculine also, that his awakening happened in 2023, and then further you can calculate. So a lot of differences I started noticing and experiencing when I was connected to the higher self of that karmic twin flame. I used to pick up on each and every energy thought of that karmic twin flame, and as he was all about negative things, toxic things, and operating from sexual energy. So you will understand people who are dark, negative, they are actually all about having a lot of thoughts about sexuality, and because that is the reason for receiving energies, and because sexual energy is a healing energy. So higher self actually becomes the reason for providing that energy to that particular karmic twin flame. And he used to talk a lot, which was again draining my energies. But now if I notice the difference between my divine masculine's higher self, he speaks less, and also I do not experience those sexual energies, not at all, because he is fully ascended and completely balanced. So he doesn't have ego and other those traits which a karmic twin flame has. So it is such a beneficial thing that lot of differences can be identified between karmic twin flame and divine masculine. So the warnings I'm given from the divine before meeting divine masculine in 3D, that I will share in a separate video, because that is necessary for all other twin flames on planet Earth who are listening to me, and I can say that the same sort of situation will be repeated. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.